Are you stressed about selling your home and moving with kids? It's no secret that juggling the demands of a home sale and a major move is a high-stress endeavor, especially with little ones in the mix. The packing, the goodbyes, the new beginnings, it can all feel a bit overwhelming, but what if it didn't have to be this way? What if there were proven strategies to help streamline the process and keep stress levels in check? Fear not. With the right strategies and support, you can minimize stress and breeze through the moving process. Start by having an open and honest conversation with your partner about your expectations, concerns, and priorities. It's essential to align your thoughts and plans from the get-go. This unity not only fosters a team spirit, but also helps avert potential misunderstandings that could cause unnecessary stress. Now let's talk about planning. Procrastination is a potent stress multiplier, especially when you're preparing to move. So how do you tackle it? Simple. Develop a detailed moving timeline and a home preparation checklist. Break down the colossal task of moving into smaller, manageable steps. List out everything from decluttering and packing, doing necessary repairs and staging, to hiring the right real estate agent and movers. This approach helps in maintaining focus and keeping the process organized. And remember, it's not a one-person show. Delegate responsibilities. Divide the tasks between you and your partner. This way, the workload gets shared and you can support each other effectively, making the process less daunting. Breaking down the process into manageable steps can make it feel less overwhelming. Amidst the chaos of moving, it's important to prioritize self-care. As the hustle and bustle of packing and planning take over, remember to take a step back and breathe. The moving process is undoubtedly demanding, but your well-being matters most. Whether it's taking a moment to sip your favorite tea, going for a brisk walk, or practicing yoga, find what soothes your soul and do it. This will curb your stress levels. And let's not forget about staying organized. The key to a smooth transition is keeping track of your tasks and responsibilities. Utilize tools like checklists and calendars to keep everything in order. Whether it's marking down deadlines, scheduling appointments, or noting down important details about your move, these tools can be lifesavers. So remember, amidst the whirlwind of change, don't neglect self-care and organization. These two elements go hand in hand in ensuring a less stressful move. After all, a happy, healthy you is better equipped to handle stress. Don't hesitate to reach out for help if you're feeling overwhelmed. One of the most effective ways to minimize stress during a move is to seek support. Whether it's from friends, family, or professionals, having a support system in place can provide emotional reassurance and practical assistance. You don't have to do it all on your own. Sharing the load can lighten your burden and even strengthen your relationships. And let's not forget the power of positive thinking. Instead of dwelling on the challenges, visualize a smooth and successful move. Picture your new home filled with love, laughter, and new memories waiting to be made. Imagine yourself breezing through the moving process with ease and efficiency. This mental image can serve as a beacon of hope, guiding you through the toughest of times. Positive thinking can help alleviate anxiety and keep you motivated throughout the process. And remember, you're not just moving houses, you're moving towards a new chapter in your life. Embrace the journey. When it comes to selling your home, having the right real estate agent and team of professionals can make all the difference. A knowledgeable and experienced agent can guide you through the selling process, offering valuable advice and helping you reach your goals in a timely manner. Working with trusted professionals like movers, home stagers, or contractors, the real estate agent's team can help you streamline the process and alleviate some of the burdens associated with moving. By assembling a reliable team, you can minimize stress, maximize efficiency, and ensure a successful transition to your new home. Selling a home with kids can add additional layers of stress, but don't worry, we've got you covered with a few extra tips to ease the process. First, involve your children in the move. Let them help with packing their own belongings, or let them choose the color of their new room. This gives them a sense of control and reduces anxiety. Second, maintain routines as much as possible. Regular meal times, bedtimes, and playtimes can provide a sense of familiarity and comfort during a time of change. Finally, keep communication open. Talk to your kids about the move, answer their questions, and reassure them about the exciting adventure ahead. By implementing these strategies and leaning on each other for support, you can navigate this journey together and emerge stronger than ever. Remember, home is where the heart is, and as long as you're together, you're already home.